Okay, so to uninstall the app, just long press on the shortcut, and then you will get a pop-up that will say different things depending on your operating system. So in my case, I have an Android. I need to drag it to the top of the screen and drop it on top of the uninstall button, and then just confirm, and that should be it. In your case, if you have an Android, you might see something that looks like this, and then just tap on uninstall. Now, if you have an iPhone, something like this, and then tap on remove app. Now, if you don't see any pop-up, but you have an iPhone, just go to settings, and then go to general, iPhone storage, and then find the app in the list, open it. Well, don't open, tap on the app in here, and then you have delete app, press that button, and that should uninstall the game. Now, if, oh my god, it crashed. Now, if you have an Android and you don't see the pop-up to uninstall it like I do, so, or the button. Now go to Android settings, so tap, well, okay, drag from the top of the screen, then go to settings, then go to apps, tap on your app, and then you have uninstall. Hit OK, and that should uninstall it, and yeah, that's it.